Hello, my origami friends. Halloween is coming in a few days and you should do some paper presents with your kids to surprise your friends and family. You can use paper, scissors, glue and pens to make origami boxes, envelopes, cards, invitations and much more. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you very much. Today we will do infinite origami card. By using a paper folding method called flexagon, you can make an origami Halloween infinite card. This is a card that has 4 different sides that you can show by flipping it repeatedly. You can add Halloween elements to each side on the card by drawing or gluing them on. I'm very glad that you have discovered my channel dedicated to origami. I hope that you enjoy my video. Together we can build an origami family here. On my channel you will find many other videos on how to make paper animals, flowers, bookmarks, birthday cards and many other ideas. I would also like to tell you that if you are not satisfied with the video speed, you can adjust everything to your like in the settings. The video can be sped up, slowed down, enlarged or reduced on your screen. Be sure to let me know in the comments how you like this video, what Halloween infinite card you made. Please give this video a like. You will help the YouTube algorithm to offer my videos to a wider audience. Thank you so much. I appreciate every new subscriber and I appreciate every share or comment. And now have fun, enjoy and watch my video. And I apologize for my English. It's difficult for me, but I try my best.